The Chinese company Ulefone is known for the product of resistant and affordable smartphones, and the company's latest product is called Armor X8. Today we have unboxing and introduction of a new Armor X8. This smartphone is aimed in the low mid-range segment and adopts octa-core processor backed with decent memory combo and other solid specs. So the Armor X8 smartphone comes with a 5.7-inch LCD display with HD Plus resolution and has a kind of unspecified protective glass that you can easily use with the gloves. The Armor X8 is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It sports a huge 5080 mAh battery for long endurance, a 30-megapixel triple rear camera for high clarity pictures and front-facing 8-megapixel camera for beautiful selfies. The phone also supports NFC as well as quad navigation system including GPS, GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo, and it of course runs on Android 10 OS out of box. The housing is made of plastic and has rubber seals for additional protection against water. On the left side of the device is a physical key for easy use of shortcuts, and it also comes with the headphone jack and a fingerprint sensor. This mobile phone can easily survive 30 minutes immersed in water up to 1.5 meters deep and falling from 1.2 meters high to ground. Furthermore, during the already running pre-sale period on Aliexpress, you can get the Armor X8 for just $190.99, but this global pre-sale event has a limited time and will end at October 15, so better hurry up and grab the new Armor X8. The pre-sale links are down below the video. That will be all for today. See you soon in a new video. Bye guys.